everyone, I am Jen. Today I will introduce one of new product of our factory. This is small vertical counting and packaging machine. This machine includes two parts. The first part is measurement. We will pack the product here and it will count it by the chain. Then the product will into the second part. The second part is the main machine, and this is platformer, vertical ceiling, horizontal ceiling, and we will set up parameter on the touch screen. And after product finish, it will get into the checking weighing by the conveyor, and the check weighing can double check the product.